Hello and welcome. My name is Ravi. This is going to be a part 2 in our Helm tutorial series. In part 1, we already learned about Helm and Helm installation on Windows operating system. I will share the link in the description. This is going to be a short video about Helm installation on Linux operating system. Here we have Ubuntu latest stable release, which is 22nd of 4. I have installed Ubuntu OS and on which I already configured Minikube single node Kubernetes cluster. Now let's see how we can install Helm in Linux. So let's jump into our terminal. So guys, this is the terminal of my Ubuntu operating system. Let's see the release. ETC's release. Yeah, it's Ubuntu 22nd of 4, which is latest release of Ubuntu. And let's see whether we are single node Minikube Kubernetes cluster is up or not. It is down, so we need to just start our Minikube start cluster. Alright, there's a permission denied. Okay, let me just try this command. Okay, I get it. We have docker daemon socket that has only permission for root only. So let's just see -l where run docker.socket. Yeah, so let's just make our normal user called Ravi as the owner of this file. Alright, let's just go back as a normal user and try Minikube start. Yeah, okay, here we go. So Minikube just configuring our single node cluster. It won't take so long. Let's just wait. So guys, my cluster is up and running. It didn't take so long. Okay, yeah. Alright, so these are the ports of system cube system namespace. These are the system ports basically, and our single node cluster, as you can see. Great node. Yeah, it's up and running with a version of 1.26.1. so let's just see whether we have Helm installed in our Linux operating system or not. As you can see, Helm is not present. Let's just try to download and install Helm in our Linux operating system. So just jumping into Helm website, click on installing Helm, and let's just see the latest release is 3.11.1, and let's just try to download the package for Linux operating system. So my desktop has AMD processor, so it is showing Linux AMD 64, but it might be Intel for you if your laptop or desktop has Intel processor. So I'm going to right click on here and click on copy link address. Just go to our terminal, wget, alright, paste it. Okay, here we go. So we just downloaded Helm 3.11. so this is a tar.tz, so let's just untar it. We set f. Okay, I'm sorry, it's not dex, it's tar. Okay, here we go. We have this Linux AMD 64 directory. Let's enter into here. Okay, we have this Helm. Okay, so if we just try like Helm version, it is showing us like it is 3.11, but we cannot just execute every time ./helm. So let's make it available. So what we have to do, let's just move this helm as a sudo move helm in our user bin directory. Okay, so now let's try to execute helm version. Okay, bravo. So helm is just configured in our system. Let's just try whether helm is able to communicate our single node kubernetes cluster. So as we can see, there's no application running in our single node cluster via helm, so we are not getting any like application name and namespace, these kind of properties we are not getting here. So in our next video we'll deploy an application via helm, and we'll see what we are getting using helm ls or helm list command, and we'll see other helm commands are there. So stay tuned. Thank you.